In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and email Rockstar Games if you have an urgent need, you need urgent help, then instead of filling that form, you can send an email. I have their official email right here, support@rockstargames.com. I'll even give you a sample email. So let's say your GTA 5 account got banned, and let me add a subject for this one. All right, here we go. So as a subject, I put in appeal for account ban, GTA Online. So since with Rockstar Games, a lot of games, you want to specify which game this is, what exactly you're sending this email for, so they can go ahead and allocate the right person, right? So the right person can actually help you. Now come here and contact them. Let's say, Dear Rockstar Support, and explain what the problem is, what the issue is. Make sure you give in your username so they know exactly how to help you. So now we're elaborating on the problem, been banned on GTA Online. You believe this may be a mistake because you have not done these things that actually cause people to get banned and not violate the terms of service. Request them to just review your case, and you are happy to provide any details regarding the ban, right? And if you can go ahead and sign off in a nice manner, right? Appreciate them, say that thank you in advance, things like this, thank them for their time, and give a nice sign off like best regards. And you can hope for the best. Good luck.